Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best burp cloths that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Natemia Burp Cloths. If you're looking for a burp cloth that's gentle on your baby's skin, durable, and versatile, look no further than the Natemia Burp Cloths. These burp cloths are crafted from a blend of bamboo fabric and cotton, providing a soft and cozy feel that your baby will love. Thanks to their innovative 6-layered design, these burp cloths are incredibly absorbent, making them perfect for dealing with any messes your little one might make. Additionally, they offer ample protection for parents, ensuring your apparel and furnishings remain pristine and dry. But there's more to these benefits than meets the eye. These burp cloths are incredibly versatile and can be used for various purposes, including during mealtime, bath time, as a teething or drooling cloth, or for any other messes your baby might make. Plus, they come in multiple colors in an attractive box, making them an ideal gift for any baby shower, birthday, or baby registry. With their superior absorbency, durability, and softness, these burp cloths are the best on our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cinro Burp Cloths. The Cinro Burp Cloths are the ultimate must-have for any parent out there. Created from 100% cotton, these burp cloths possess 6 layers that not only make them extra absorbent but also durable enough to withstand frequent use. Thanks to their quick dry design, these burp cloths can quickly absorb liquid messes and leave your baby feeling comfortable and dry. Plus, they come in multiple colors that will perfectly match your baby's style. What's even more impressive is the comfort that these burp cloths provide. With a breathable fabric that allows air to flow through the layers easily, these burp cloths are healthy and ideal for your baby's delicate skin. And when it comes to cleaning, you don't have to worry. You can either hand wash them or toss them in the machine for quick and easy cleaning. But wait, there's more. These burp cloths even come with folds that make them softer over time, giving you more value for your money. At number 3, we have the Comfy Cubs Burp Cloths. The Comfy Cubs Burp Cloths are an ideal solution for busy parents who need multi-purpose and extra absorbent cloths to handle anything their baby throws their way. They're crafted from 100% breathable cotton, making them soft and gentle on baby's sensitive skin while being machine washable and very durable. Even better, these cloths come in packs of 6 and 10 to ensure you always have enough nearby when needed. The 2-layered construction makes them exceptionally absorbent, ideal for preserving your clothing when wiping up dirty spills, breastfeeding, and even as an outdoor changing mat cover. Their light gray pattern, along with other colors, makes them suitable for both boys and girls, and each set even comes with a pretty bow ready to gift, making them the perfect addition to any baby registry. With the ability to use them for teething, dribbling babies, and much more, these multi-purpose burp cloths are essential for new parents. At number 2, we have the Burt's Bees Burp Cloths. With high-quality materials, generous dimensions, and ease of storage, the Burt's Bees Baby Burp Cloths are a fantastic addition to any nursery. These burp cloths feature large dimensions, making them perfect for providing extra over-the-shoulder protection. They're made with 2-ply fabric for added thickness and absorbency, and a 3-panel design makes them easy to fold and store. The supple rib knit fabric is naturally stretchy and more durable than a jersey knit, making these burp cloths an ideal choice for messes that babies create. To top it all off, these burp cloths are also 100% organic and GOTS certified, ensuring you can last for years. These burp cloths provide an optimal combination of convenience and protection for parents. They make cleaning up after babies quick and easy while providing a soft and comfortable cloth for newborn skin. The large dimensions offer full coverage to protect the shoulder from messes or spills. Additionally, they're easy to store when not in use, allowing you to maximize your space while keeping them clean and organized. Not to forget, they come in different colors, giving you ample choice when matching them with your child's dress. And finally at number 1, we have the Spotted Play Burp Cloths. The Spotted Play Burp Cloths are a great addition to any parent's arsenal of necessary baby items. They come with soft and silky coral fleece material that enhances their absorbent and breathable properties, making them perfect for wiping messes, protecting clothing during burping, and even as a breastfeeding cover-up. This set comes with 8 clothes, each with a perfect size, making them easy to carry in a handbag or diaper bag. These top-notch special fiber burp cloths allow maximum absorption without shrinking over time. In addition, they're machine washable and durable enough to withstand spit up and mess. Their multiple colors make them suitable for both boys and girls, making them a great present for baby showers. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.